Indigenous People Forum Manipur held a news bulletin program at Hotel Imphal on Thursday, where Dr. T. Lima, president of Nagaland Indigenous Peoples Forum, highlighted the challenges faced by the indigenous people in northeastern region. Many intellectuals and eminent personalities presented their viewpoints in the event. R.K. Megan, Arampam, Noni, Kuraijam, Athoba, among others, participated in the event. President of Indigenous People Forum Manipur, Ashank Kasar, emphasized the importance of passing Manipur Indigenous People Bill, which, according to him, is on the process and being received people of Manipur in a positive way.
Sir, hello sir, welcome to Manipur first of all, sir.
In Nagamese, you say?
No, we will take it in English, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, first of all, welcome to Manipur. And you said that, indigenous people are facing a lot of challenges today.
Yes.
So could you first give us brief some of the main points, some of the main challenges indigenous people are facing at the moment?
First, the state of Tripura is gone.
Okay.
Second, Assam is very near. Then Manipur also. Then Nagaland also, we have 3 districts. Newland, Chumukatima and Dimapur. By having this issue, this illegal migrant issue. Then Arunachal also now slowly started. So we have to unite each other, all the indigenous people of the 7 sister states, and come together and block this influx of these illegal immigrants immigrating to our different states. India, Pakistan, it doesn't concern indigenous.
Okay.
It is a geopolitical problem. But if it is Northeast, we have to be aware of all this, because in my speech also I told you that one of the retired Bangladeshi general has intimated that we must take away all the 7 sister states. We should cut the chicken neck and let the China also come, and Bangladesh will also come, and India will be engaged with Pakistan. So it is a very Korean future for us. So the indigenous people, we have to stand together as one family.
The Nagaland Indigenous People Forum.
Yes.
What are the kind of work you people are taking, particularly with this body, sir?
Nagaland Indigenous People Forum is a chapter of Northeast Indigenous People Forum. So we are taking initiative, especially in FMR, Free Movement Regime. Last year we had a symposium. A lot of CCOs and NGOs and government political leaders came, and we formulated a lot of agendas to present to the central government. Then we were invited to the Zoro headquarters in Aizawl, and we had interaction with these people because a lot of politicians, MPs, MLAs from the Myanmar were displaced and they were in exile in Aizawl. So we discussed for the free movement regime for them also, and we also discussed how to rehabilitate them. So, but in the meantime, Mizoram government is giving the rehabilitation and the shelter to these people. But it is very pathetic. They are also the indigenous people of Myanmar. And they are our brothers. So we have to stand with them also. And we have given a memorandum to President of India, Prime Minister, Home Minister, and all the 7 state governors and Chief Minister where these are affected.
Indigenous People Forum Manipur has taken up many issues. Recently, we have conducted a press conference at Press Club of India. We submitted the memorandum to Prime Minister and Home Minister. And now Indigenous People Forum Manipur is, taking up some issues regarding to delete any Kuki tribe, any Kuki and any Mizo tribe. This is one of our main agenda. And other thing is the indigenous people of Manipur. We are preparing to just pass the bill for the Manipur Indigenous People bill. So this bill this movement agenda we will move and place to before the government of Manipur, so that our main agenda of the Indigenous People Forum is to pass a bill for the indigenous people of Manipur, so that in the long term and in the days to come that this bill can be protected to the indigenous people.
Sir, have you reached a consensus about this bill?
We are preparing, but we are discussing to the government of Manipur. Once they are willing to accept, we will submit everything. Now we are preparing in full swing, and we have already drafted the bill also. And the other part, today we published one news bulletin and here we are conducted the release program. So this news bulletin is also very helpful to the indigenous people, of Manipur. In that news bulletin, it contains so many, important issues and matters like Kobru Singh and the other part of the, why indigenous people are decreased, the seat of the MLAs in Manipur. These two very important, subject is included in our today's news bulletin.
Thank you, sir.